Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. My name is Nurina Afika and my partner is Nurul Fatihah Nabila. We are going to present about Joseph John Thomson, which is known as British physicist and has been awarded as Nobel laureate in physics. Wow, amazing, right? So, of course, there's a lot of interesting things about him. So, let's go. Here are some facts about J.J. Thomson. Sir Joseph John Thomson was born on 18 December 1856. He was credited with the discovery of the electron, which is the first atomic particle to be discovered. To make a short story, in 1897, Thomson showed that cathode rays were composed of unknown negatively charged particles, which now called an electron. So we know that in the nucleus there are a particle of electron that have a negatively and positively charged of an ion. That's the thing that J.J. Thomson have made his research. Next, he calculated that the electron must have a body that has much smaller than an atom and a very large charge of mass ratio. He also was credited with finding the first evidence for isotopes of a stable non-radioactive element in 1913 as a part of his exploration into canaries with its positive ions. His experiments were to determine the nature of positively charged particles with Francis William Aston that were the first use of mass spectrometry and lead the development of the mass. Thomson was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Thompson was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1906 on the conduction of electricity in gases. Interesting, right? So, if you want to know now, my partner Nurul Fatihah will present it to you.
Okay, now let's move on to his career and research. Firstly, J.J. Thomson started his career at Trinity College, University of Cambridge, and further enhanced his reputation as one of the most gifted mathematicians through his efforts. Next, Thompson was appointed as the Cavendish Professor of Experimental Physics at the University of Cambridge. If you want to know, his earliest research work was based on the structure of atoms, and his first published paper was titled Motion of Vertex Ring. Much of Thomson's early research centered on mathematical explanation of chemical phenomena, and the result was the book titled Application of Dynamics to Physics and Chemistry. Next, we move on to the last part. J.J. Thomson undertook the most important original research of his career in the year 1897 when he started his seminal research on cathode rays that led him to different aliens. One of the most significant discoveries out of that research was the discovery of the electron in relation to atom, which changed the face of the natural sciences. Lastly, he spent the later part of his career in conducting research on isotopes that lead to the discovery of positive ion, which is electron. Okay, this is the plum pudding model. If you want to know, the plum pudding model was a model of an atom created by J.J. Thompson. This model described the atom as negatively charged particles swimming in a positively charged sea. It got its name because the model resemble the look of plum pudding. Okay, I think that's all from our group. Thank you.